Welcome to Sweet Life Beat Life. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will compare Notion versus Obsidian for students. We'll explore which tool might be better suited for your academic journey. Notion is an all-in-one workspace, fantastic for managing diverse tasks and projects. Obsidian, on the other hand, is a powerful local-first knowledge base, perfect for building interconnected notes and deep learning. Understanding their core differences is key to making an informed decision for your study needs. Notion truly shines as an all-in-one workspace, offering incredible versatility for students. You can effortlessly manage class schedules, track assignments, and organize research papers using its robust databases and calendars. It's also fantastic for collaborative projects, allowing you to share notes and work seamlessly with study groups. With hundreds of readily available templates, getting started and staying organized is incredibly straightforward. Obsidian excels in personal knowledge management, especially for those who love connecting ideas. It uses plain text markdown, ensuring your notes are future-proof and accessible across devices. The unique graph view visually links your thoughts, helping you understand complex topics and discover new connections. Furthermore, its extensive plugin ecosystem offers dozens of tools for spaced repetition, academic citations, and advanced note-taking techniques. So, how do you choose? If you need a versatile tool for project management, team collaboration, and diverse content types, Notion is likely your best bet. However, if your priority is personal knowledge management, deep linking of ideas, and complete ownership of your data, then Obsidian might be the superior choice. Consider trying both with a small academic project to see which truly aligns with your unique study style.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.